Welcome to Camp Vibes, the ultimate destination for all things camping. Today we're going to be reviewing the best 5 folding camping tables available in the market. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip or just looking for a convenient and portable table for outdoor activities, we've got you covered. We'll be comparing features, pros and cons, and overall performance to help you choose the right table for your outdoor adventures. So gear up, get ready and join us as we bring you the latest and greatest in camping gear, here on Camp Vibes. Are you tired of struggling with flimsy and unstable camping tables on your outdoor adventures? Well, look no further. Our number 5 pick on the list is the HY Nature Folding Table, designed to make your camping experience a breeze. With quick and simple setup and takedown, the HY Nature Table requires only a few minor assembly steps and comes with 2 storage bags. You can easily adjust the table's height with just the push of a button, with 3 height settings to choose from. This outdoor table comes equipped with 2 large capacity lockers to store all your food, drinks, or cutlery, keeping them clean and hygienic. The detachable storage bag also makes it easy to store and transport. Made with a density board and aluminum material, the HY Nature Table is built to last. The triangular structure and reinforcement measures ensure the stability of the table and its ability to withstand a weight of 66 pounds. The anti-deformation wrap also extends its service life. Lightweight and foldable, this picnic table is easy to move with its handle and compact design. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have the GCI Outdoor Portable Folding Cookstation. This table is designed to bring the convenience and comfort of a kitchen right to your campsite. With a powder-coated steel frame that easily unfolds to reveal a heat-resistant aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 fold-out side tables, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. The aluminum countertop can hold up to 48 pounds and is perfect for your camping stove, while the lower rack can hold up to 35 pounds of dry goods. Gone are the days of a cluttered and disorganized camping kitchen. With the GCI Outdoor Portable Folding Cookstation, you'll have a compact and convenient solution for all your camping culinary needs. So, don't wait any longer, upgrade your camping game today with the GCI Outdoor Table. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have the Vbindlam Camp Kitchen Table. This camp kitchen table is packed with features that will make your outdoor cooking experience a breeze. With its spacious storage space, including a roll-up aluminum tabletop, a windshield, and 2 side tables, you'll have plenty of room for all of your grilling supplies, cooking tools, condiments, and more. And with the 2-tier detachable storage organizer, you can keep your utensils organized and within easy reach. The Vbindlam Camp Kitchen Table is also incredibly easy to set up. In just minutes, you can have this kitchen setup ready to go. And when you're finished cooking, the foldable and lightweight design makes it a breeze to pack up and carry with you wherever you go. Not only is the Vbindlam Camp Kitchen Table convenient, but it's also incredibly sturdy. With its reinforced X-shaped structure and durable MDF tabletop, this kitchen table is able to handle even the toughest outdoor cooking conditions. Plus, its easy-to-clean tabletop is strong enough to hold all of your cooking essentials. And coming in at number 2 on our list, we have the Vbindlam Camping Kitchen Table. This product is packed with features that will make your outdoor cooking and dining experience a breeze. First of all, let's talk about the storage space. With a roll-up aluminum tabletop, windshield, and 2 side tables, you'll have plenty of room to store your grills, cooking tools, and other supplies. And the 2-tier detachable storage organizer will keep your utensils neatly organized. Setting up this camp kitchen is incredibly convenient and can be done in minutes. Simply take it out of the carrying bag, adjust the leg height, lock it in place, and you're good to go. Not only is this kitchen table spacious and durable, it's also portable and lightweight. With a foldable design, it can be taken outdoors and stored easily. And the detachable aluminum top and rack make setup and breakdown a breeze, taking less than a minute to complete. The Vbindlam Camping Kitchen Table is perfect for indoor and outdoor activities like picnics, barbecues, and overnight camping trips. So if you're looking for a solution to your outdoor storage and dining needs, this product is definitely worth checking out. Coming in at number 1 on our list, we have the March Camping Kitchen Table. This versatile and portable option is the perfect solution for all your outdoor cooking and dining needs. At just 17.4 pounds, this lightweight pack-away kitchen is incredibly easy to take with you on camping trips or any other outdoor excursion you have planned. Setting it up and folding it down is also a breeze. You won't need any tools at all. The foldable outdoor grill station is designed with functionality in mind and features a side grill stand made of sturdy steel. This stand has a spacious area of 26.2 inches by 15.9 inches, which will accommodate most camp stoves. So, whether you're grilling up a storm or cooking a meal on a camp stove, you'll have plenty of space to work with. The main food prep tabletop also features an additional layer over it, providing you with even more counter space. This extra space is perfect for placing your spices, seasonings, or ready-to-eat dishes. And if you need to wash your hands or dishes, the portable grill table also includes a holder for a sink, which is a convenient touch that you won't find on many other camping kitchen tables. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed our top picks for the best camping kitchens. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. If you're looking for more camping gear reviews and outdoor adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe to Camp Vibes. Let's keep spreading the camping vibes together. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.